Howdy, good day to you all. Mr. Wara here once again with another math video. A little bit more topic 3 review, part 2. I called it part 2 because I did part 1 and 2 is after 1, so here we go. Hey, let me go ahead and get my nice bamboo tablet going here. Do I have my calligraphy? Yeah, we're talking now. So what we're basically going to be doing here is we're just going to be doing some quick review. This will be the last video that you receive before your wonderful assessment. So let's go ahead and let's just say that Andrew, good buddy Andrew, okay, he bought grapes for a party. Yeah, cool. Okay, now the total cost was, let's just say that it was, let's say it was $4.20. Okay, now he paid 70 cents. Oh, 70 cents. Oh, no! Come back, eraser! Fix problem! Yes. Oh, no, that's not eraser. Oh, is it one of these times when everything seems to be moving in slow motion? It's not responding as fast as I would like it to. Okay, here we go. Sorry. And, let me make sure to do this. 70 cents a pound. Okay? Now, question is, how many pounds did he buy? So how many? Now I'm just going to use the symbol. How many pounds did he buy? Did he buy? Okay. Let me see if I can do this. I could drag this and then shrink it so I have more room. I'm going to do this and just group. Okay, now I could do this. I believe. Take that, put that right there. Come on, drag, don't be shy. Oh, there you go. So, that way, oh, yeah, it's responding kind of slow here this morning. Sorry about that. Oh, here we go. It's right here. Perfect. Let's go full screen. All right. There. We shrink it down a little bit there, okay? Now, to give me enough room to do some work. All right, so looking at this problem right away, I know what you're probably thinking. Yes, this is where I think we're seeing division here. And you would be right. And because if this is the total cost, we know that we could divide that by 0.70 per pound. What I want you to see here is I want you to see that, you know what? You have to look for patterns. And when you look at this, just like that last problem, you can see that 42 and 7, they're somewhat compatible because you know that 7 times 6 is 42. It just had the 0 on. What were to happen? So if this were true, then that means that we could take that, 70 cents, again, we could multiply by some quantity that's going to give us that total cost of $4.20. Okay, let's fix that. I just have to remember to do my equal signs a little bit slower. Come on. There we go. So, basically, if we were to multiply again this quantity by 10, that's going to help us move that decimal place. Okay? And let's put this here and then put $4.20 and multiply it by 10. You can see that it takes that number out. Now, even though it says 0.70, you know we can take that 0 off on these, okay? Remember, that's an equivalent decimal, even though we use that for money. So that gives us 7. Now, oops, sorry, I forgot my times here. 7 times something is going to equal, again, decimal place moves out 1 time because we're multiplying by 10. See, and this again, this is like our little seesaw. Here's our fulcrum in the center. So it's just saying that whatever we say is equal on one side must be equal to the other. So if I add weight to one side, as long as I add the same amount of weight on the other side, I'm going to get the same balance straight across, and it'll be equivalent. So here, putting the 42 then, I haven't changed the equation because I've multiplied by 10 by both sides here. Now you can see how easy that is. So then it says, how many pounds did he buy? 6 pounds. Now let's say we wanted to be able to show our work. Well, you could do this in a number of different ways. I mean, one way is you could probably use a number line, okay? You know, if indeed you could show like a little bar, I mean, that's what I'm trying to do here. So if indeed it was 70 cents, see, we could start showing this as a model, 70 cents, okay? And that's definitely one way that you could show the model. So that when we come back over here, let me get my pen. So you have that one, see, so that's like 1 pound, 2 pounds, and then we can add all these numbers together, see, and then you could show it by doing this. And all of this is just a way of showing a model, some kind of picture, a number line, okay? I don't want this video to go any longer, and let me see here. Is that like the shortest one in history? Almost. Oh, you need this too, though, don't you? You do. Okay, and with that, I'm just going to close that out. This is one that we did before, so I am going to say adios.